Welcome to another episode of Facts, where I answer the internet's questions every week. And today's question comes in from LinkedIn from Michelle Farley, and her question is, my website cannot be viewed in other browsers like Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. What may seem to be the problem? Well, Michelle, we can't really factor in what really causes this problem when viewing into browsers like Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. As we all know, Microsoft has put an end to Internet Explorer in the last couple of months, and now they have Microsoft Edge as their default browser every time you install a Windows OS. Now, I keep telling my audience and clients that not all websites are built similar. So every website has a particular way of how it was developed, and every programmer and developer and agency have their own process in how websites are built based on their preferences. So when it comes to viewing websites in particular browsers, sometimes a video won't play, sometimes an element goes missing. It's really hard to pinpoint what is causing this. Would it be because of the way your website was built, or was it because Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer don't have the compatibility of actually viewing that element? But of course, we all know that all browsers, especially Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, should be able to view a website similar to how it usually should be viewed with other browsers. But there's also the confusion where other people can view the same website in the same browser with no issues. And the list goes on when it comes to all the different factors that could affect this when viewing your website on a particular browser. That's why developers, programmers, and agencies has applied a particular way of testing their developed website across all browsers. This is called cross-browser compatibility testing. So part of the planning and development is making sure that every time a particular phase is done in the development of a website, they would test it in all the major browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, and they would always double check on the current development if it is viewed properly on all these browsers. So instead of trying to crack down the actual reason why your website is not being viewed properly in a particular browser, you might as well try to put this into practice when you start developing a website, or if you start maintaining a website. Make sure you have this on your plan to have it tested in all major browsers. By putting this into practice, this will save you a lot of time and effort, and this will ensure at least 90% of your website can be viewed fully by all browsers all across platforms. I'd like to thank you for watching this episode. I hope this educates you on the topic on hand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also that bell button to get notifications on the latest uploads I do every week. In the case you'll require a team or agency to build a website for you, don't forget to check out Mediafied.com. I have a bunch of web developers ready to build your website, and we offer the best plans and packages for every website need that you'll require.